What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is just going to be like a version 1 for you guys. So basically what this is I'm just going to go through. I'm not done yet, but it's at a point where I'm happy with it, but it's not YouTube worthy yet. It's not what do you call it? Best setup on the internet worthy yet. So let's go through what I have now, and I hope you guys enjoy. So what we've got now, so for the office, I've got a little bit of work left to do, so I still have to do some trim and stuff like that. I have to scrub the door a little bit. I see that little stain right there. But anyways, guys, going through the setup, I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with the new house. I decided to put the TV back on top again. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this side. Maybe I'll just do like reviews and stuff over here. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this side of the desk yet. I still have to put my LED strips. This is a company that I actually use pretty often, Supernight. This is their 16-foot LED strip. I still have to put that on, and then I have to find a place. I have a shelf right over here. This long shelf back here. It's like a floating white shelf that I have to mount to the wall. I'm probably gonna put it, you know, off to the right side or something like that over here in the corner with all my memorabilia and stuff like that. So starting off from right to left, we've got the Xbox One X with Extreme Skins, white leather skins on there. I believe they're white leather. Yeah, white leather skins. And then we have the white wood on the PS4 Pro. And then you guys all know, you know, Project Frost. I've added one sticker because I'm big into PUBG right now. If you guys have been watching the channel, I've been streaming a little bit of that. By the way, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like this video, subscribe. I've been doing a lot of PUBG streams and Fortnite streams and what else? Far Cry 5. So if you guys remember this computer, I built this quite a while back. If we can kind of see in here. We've got the GTX 1080 Ti Aorus Extreme Edition from Gigabyte. That's an awesome card. It has not failed me yet. And then we've got the 1200 watt power supply, and we've got the radiator up here, and we've got another radiator in the top. And then we've got a Crucial, actually. Big shout out to Crucial. They actually sent me out a 500 gigabyte, their new MX500. All the links are in the description down below of these videos, guys, if you need lists on everything that I have. So this is actually the setup right now. Obviously, I still have a few wires to hide. My power supply wire and this wire over here, which is basically just the Xbox and the PS4 plugged into it right now, and my controller charger. Here's my LifeX lamps that I've been using. Those were in the back of the setup before, but recently I've actually lowered my monitors now. They used to be quite a bit higher. I've lowered them now, so not those don't really fit. If you guys remember, my TV used to be like off to the right here, and I had the Amazon Echo underneath the TV, and I had the two plants on each side of it. So I can't even use, like, everybody's got these Ikea plants, you know what I mean? And I'm sorry if it sounds a little echoey in here. I don't have any foam squares on the wall yet. They're all over there in the corner. And we've got a bunch of boxes and stuff. We've got my laptop. I've got a bunch of boxes of products that I've reviewed and game manuals and stuff like that. So the Ikea plants, I don't have one. I actually have two. The Ikea lamps or plants, I haven't really found a place for them yet. If you guys have any suggestions, let's go ahead and turn the screen on here. Huge shout out to TCL for this TV. They sent this over for review, and it's been going phenomenal so far. I've highly recommended this TV to a lot of people. I think when I did the review on this TV, I think it's got like 25,000 views right now. And I think a lot of people have gone to Best Buy and bought the cheaper version of this TV without the special remote. But this TV, I want to say we've sold probably 50 to 60 of these TVs just in that video alone. So TCL, if you're watching, that TV is phenomenal. You guys should really send me out the new 6 series. Preferably like a, I don't know, like a 55 or a 6, somewhere between a 55 and a 65 inch. But anyway, that's up to you guys. So I didn't want to drill in a hole in the wall, right? So my clever way of hiding wires, there is a couple wires that come down from the TV and whatnot, 2 or 3 HDMI cables and some power cables. So I used my subscribe button to hide those wires, and then the Amazon Echo to hide them down there, because I didn't want to drill. This is my new house. I don't want to drill a hole in the wall quite yet. I mean, once I'm a little bit in here, I guess, yeah. But anyways, guys, that's the setup so far. So if you guys are interested, and this is going to be like a part 1, part 2 series. So this is actually going to be like part 1. This is the setup now. I'm still rocking the same chair. I'm still rocking the same desktops and everything. I just have everything. Instead of the PC on the floor, I've actually got it up on the desk now. So, I mean, if you guys have any questions or concerns or anything like that, or if you have any recommendations, go ahead and let me know in the description down below. I've got a lot of wall space. You know, let me know in the comment section, not the description. I've got a lot of wall space to work with. This is a 15-foot by 14-foot office, so it's actually pretty large. There's the video camera. I'm actually using, and those of you out there that have said I need to change my mic, I think you guys are just trolling me, because this is the same mic that Linus Tech Tips uses, Barnacle Nerdgasm, a few other YouTubers out there. What's his name? Jay's 2 Cents, he has that in quite a few of his videos. I mean, I usually have a pop filter on it, or a fuzz filter, but that's a $350 Sennheiser mic. I mean, come on now. I know you guys are just trolling me, but anyways, this is my setup right now. I've got the 2 light boxes back here. I've got the camera slider, the green screen pole, I guess. Basically, what I did is I just got some PVC, and I actually ran some nylon cord through it, and I melted them together. I tied the other end, but then I melted this end together. So just heated it up and melted it together with a lighter or whatever. So I might start doing the green screen streams and all that stuff soon. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay frosty.